Hello everyone, good day. Today we are going to talk about weather. First, what's the weather like in your country? In my country, the weather is usually sunny, rainy, windy, hot, cold, foggy, stormy, cloudy, cool, warm. For example, in my country, the weather is hot in summer and cold in winter. Sometimes it rains a lot in autumn. Second, what kind of weather do you like best? I like sunny, cool, windy weather because I can play sports outside. It makes me feel happy and comfortable. I don't like feeling too hot or too cold. It is good for traveling and going out. For example, I like cool weather because I feel comfortable and can do many activities. I like sunny weather because I can go outside and play sports. Third, what do you usually do when the weather is sunny, rainy, cold, or hot? When it is sunny, I usually go for a walk, play football, go swimming, ride my bike. When it rains, I usually stay at home, read books, watch TV, sleep more. When it is cold, I usually wear warm clothes, drink hot tea, or stay indoors. For example, when it is sunny, I usually play football, go swimming, or ride my bike. When it is rainy, I stay at home, read books, watch TV, or sleep more. When it is cold, I wear warm clothes, drink hot tea, and stay indoors. Fourth, how does the weather affect your daily life? The weather affects me because I can go out when it rains heavily. Hot weather makes me tired. Sunny days give me more energy. Cold weather makes me want to stay at home. For example, the weather affects me because when it rains heavily, I can't go out. Hot weather makes me tired, but sunny days give me more energy. Cold weather makes me want to stay at home. Fifth, do you prefer hot weather or cold weather? Why? I prefer hot, cold weather because I enjoy swimming in the summer. I like wearing warm clothes in winter. It's easier to travel. I can eat ice cream or drink hot chocolate. For example, I prefer hot weather because I can go swimming and wear light clothes. I prefer cold weather because I like wearing warm clothes and drinking hot tea. Sixth, which season do you like most? I like spring, summer, autumn, winter, most because the weather is beautiful. I can travel. It's good for outdoor activities. I can celebrate festivals with my family. For example, I like spring because the weather is beautiful and flowers bloom. I like summer because I can travel and play sports outside. I like autumn because the weather is cool and comfortable. That is all for the weather. So, thank you.